AWISSU. Sewing patterns and dressmaking. In this sewing tutorial we'll prepare the fabric for cutting. In order to reduce unwanted shrinkage of the cloth after first wash, the fabric before cutting must be decated. Firstly, we wet the fabric. Water without chlorine will be better choice. Also, we can add a little vinegar to fix the color on the fabric. Cotton and linen fabrics will shrink when washed. The shrinkage rate of the fabric can be up to 10%. To avoid this, the fabric must be decated, forced shrinkage before cutting. Accordingly, you need to buy the material with a margin for shrinkage. We fold the fabric with the front inside, and then iron it very gentle. Be careful not to burn the fabric by holding the iron too long time on it. This is the easiest and fastest way to prepare the fabric before cutting. For more sewing tips and tricks, subscribe. That's it. The fabric is decated. Thanks for watching.